Streaming has taken over the internet. Whether it's gaming, tutorials, or IRL content, the fight for the streamer economy is heating up. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown: YouTube versus Twitch. Which platform is better for creators? Why do some streamers thrive on Twitch while others choose YouTube? And most importantly, what lessons can we learn from their strategies to succeed in our goals? Welcome to Visionary Success Tales. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the appeal of these platforms, but also how to apply these lessons to your own life and career. Let's get started. First, let's set the stage. Twitch started in 2011 as a platform just for gamers. Fast forward to today, and it's a streaming giant, home to millions of creators doing everything from gaming marathons to cooking shows. Meanwhile, YouTube, the OG of online video, added live streaming to its arsenal in 2013, and since then, it's been steadily growing as a competitor to Twitch, offering a unique blend of live and pre-recorded content. Here's the thing, both platforms dominate in their own ways, but their strategies are completely different, and that's where the lessons begin. Let's start with Twitch, the king of live streaming. What makes Twitch so appealing? Community. Twitch isn't just about watching someone play games or cook, it's about being part of the action. With live chats, custom emotes, and tools like channel points, Twitch builds an interactive experience that makes viewers feel like they're hanging out with friends. And for streamers, the subscription model and donations mean loyal fans can directly support their favorite creators. Lesson 1 from Twitch community is everything. Whether you're building an audience or starting a business, engaging with your people and making them feel valued is key to success. Now let's talk about YouTube, the versatile powerhouse. YouTube's strength lies in its flexibility. You can upload pre-recorded videos, stream live, or do both. And with over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube offers unmatched reach. YouTube's partner program allows creators to earn through ad revenue, memberships, and super chats. And unlike Twitch, your content doesn't disappear. It stays on your channel, building a library of videos that can make you money for years. Lesson 2 from YouTube. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having multiple ways to engage and earn is how you create long-term success. Now, here's where the real competition gets fierce, attracting creators. Twitch offers exclusivity deals to top streamers, giving them upfront money to stay on the platform. Meanwhile, YouTube counters with higher ad revenue shares and a global audience that helps creators grow across niches. The downside for Twitch? Streaming is grueling. If you're not live, you're not earning. YouTube, on the other hand, lets creators mix live streaming with evergreen videos, giving them more balance. Lesson 3. Play to your strengths. Choose the platform, or the strategy, that works best for your goals and lifestyle. So what's the big takeaway? Build a community. Twitch teaches us that loyalty comes from interaction and genuine connections. Diversify your content. YouTube shows us that having multiple income streams is the key to longevity. Play smart. Both platforms remind us that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Success comes from knowing your strengths and leaning into them. And whether you're a creator, a business owner, or someone chasing their dreams, these lessons are universal. Engage with your people, think long-term, and find the balance that works for you. Thanks for tuning into Visionary Success Tales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a story that inspires you to grow. Which platform do you think is better for creators, YouTube or Twitch? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.